Hey, I'm Jay from Team 125 Overland, and today we're going to talk a little bit about vehicle security. I recently had a break-in my house, so vehicle security is a top priority for me. We put a lot of money into our rigs, and the last thing any of us ever want to see is them stolen from us. I know that my truck I love it very much, and it would really devastate me if I had it stolen. You know, the times aren't the best. People steal things. It really does suck, but you know, we can take a little bit of measures to actually protect our investments and hopefully hold on to our stuff, right? So here's just a couple ideas that you might want to look into to protect your rig. The first one I talk about is a kill switch. Pretty much everyone knows what a kill switch is. It's a toggle switch that you install in your vehicle that might be able to cut off something. The more crafty you are with an ignition kill switch, the better. Here's an idea. You might want to roll it into one of the existing switches already. I remember my aunt's old Firebird from like '87, stock from the factory. To start the car, you had to turn the key and hold down the window up button, and that would start the car. I thought that was really super clever, but that's just a little thing that you can do to install in your car to help you kind of prevent it from being stolen. An additional kind of kill switch is this kind of kill switch. This is an actual battery kill switch. It's pretty heavy duty. It's got a very high amperage rating. The thing I like about this, it has a little key built in. I think this is actually used for drag racing, so it's an easy shut off for the battery. But this might be a nice little thing to add in. You could add this into maybe the S-wire on the starter or right off the battery. And additionally too, it gives you that little bit of safety in case you have a battery problem and your car's on fire. You flip the switch and pop it off and shuts the battery completely off. So if you have an electrical problem, it's a nice little safety feature. I actually have this for my truck, haven't installed it yet. I don't know. The next thing we're going to talk about is OnStar. If you have a GM car, OnStar is actually pretty nifty. OnStar has some programs on it that if you pay maybe like 20 bucks a month, they'll monitor your car. And if you have your vehicle stolen, you can call OnStar and they'll shut off your car. The problem with that is you have to call the police first. The police need to be near your car before OnStar shuts it off. So if you're like me, and I can only imagine thinking what I would be like to have my vehicle stolen, I'd want that instantly know, hey, where's my truck at? It might be frustrating, but it's a great option. Keep that in mind. I'm sure Ford and all the other manufacturers make something like that. It's something really kind of to look into. Another thing to look at is a vehicle boot. Now, my truck isn't a daily driver. I keep my truck in the backyard. Maybe yours is a daily driver. This wouldn't be a great option. But believe it or not, this is actually only 40 bucks. I found it on Amazon, links in the description, and it's not bad. It doesn't work the greatest with huge tires, but it's not that terrible either. It clamps around my rim, and it's got these big spikes that really kind of dig into the tire. If somebody tried moving my truck, it would be really super difficult for them to do it. So I do like this. It's kind of nifty. Just one more little added feature you can do for like a little bit of more security. Linxup is a company that manufactures GPS trackers. You can buy one of these little trackers for about 40 bucks on Amazon. You install your truck and you can either install it off your battery, your backup battery, or you can add your own battery to your GPS tracker. They are very sensitive to GPS tracking satellites and can actually pick up the satellite deep in your vehicle. So if you install it someplace where you don't think you would pick it up, trust me, it will. So I have a GPS tracker installed in my truck and it monitors my truck at all times. It comes with an app. You can put that app on a cell phone, or you can put it on a tablet, whatever the case may be, or you can monitor it from a desktop, which is really nifty too. App itself gives you the location of your truck or vehicle at all times. So it refreshes about every 3 minutes, or refreshes when you tap it, and it'll tell you where's your truck at. Additionally too, when you click it, it'll give the address on there as well, which is a really super nifty feature. Hopefully your vehicle will never be stolen. God forbid that absolutely ever happens. I have these things in place and it gives me peace of mind every day. So just in case the worst were to happen, I know that there's a really good chance that I'll get my vehicle back, or just to prevent it from being stolen. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you so much for watching my shows. It's really cool. If you have any cool comments, stories, tricks that you might have, throw it in the comment section. Let me know what you do to protect your rig. As always, please subscribe, like this video, and hey, have a nice day.